Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to make a stainless steel cleaner and it's super simple. All you need is your vinegar, your spray bottle, your essential oils. You fill your spray bottle with vinegar and then add your essential oils. Lemon is a very common essential oil for cleaning. Everyone loves the smell of lemon. It's really fresh and cleansing. But today I'm going to do lemon and white grapefruit because I'm really loving the smell of white grapefruit lately. So you can do that. I usually, for my cleaning products, use smaller bottles because I like to switch up the scents and play with them. And I have almost every essential oil there is, so I like to be creative and like my little potions. So I use the small bottles, but if you have a lot of stainless steel appliances, you might want to use larger bottles. You know, you might even just want to reuse the vinegar bottle and just buy the caps, the spray caps, and put them on here and add your essential oils, and you can do that as well. Anything is possible. Now I like to keep things simple, small, and switch it up a lot, but some people, they actually add olive oil, so it's supposed to help with the shininess of your stainless steel appliance. Rubbing alcohol, people add that as well. And then cornstarch is like a secret ingredient that people talk about, because if there's little dents or imperfections in your stainless steel appliance, it'll fill it. So that would help as well. I would also, like if I'm going to do this for the first time, just do a little area first of your stove, your fridge, whatever it is, your toaster, and then just like test it out. Always go with the grain. And what else is there to tell you? Oh yes, a microfiber cloth is amazing. Norwax has great ones, so you can get that there. And yeah, that's about it. So it's so simple, nothing complicated about it. You can get creative with your oils and yeah, just have fun with it. So take care, and I'll hope to see you soon. And if you have any questions or anything like that, just send me an email, text, or get in touch with me. Take care, guys.